The world of cryptocurrency is abuzz with talk of Pi Network. It promises a revolutionary approach to mining, accessible to everyone with a smartphone. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful hardware and significant energy consumption, Pi Network aims to democratize the mining process. But a crucial question hangs in the air. Is Pi Network truly decentralized? This is a fundamental concern for any blockchain-based project. Decentralization is the bedrock of blockchain technology. It means that no single entity has control over the entire network. It ensures trust, transparency, and security. These are the pillars that support the integrity of any blockchain system. So, does Pi Network live up to this fundamental principle? Can it truly claim to be decentralized in the same way as Bitcoin or Ethereum? Do you trust Pi's blockchain? This is a question that every user and potential investor must consider. Let's dive in and find out. We'll examine the structure, the governance, and the actual implementation of Pi Network's blockchain. This question of decentralization is not just a technical one, it's about power. Who holds it and who benefits from it? It's about who controls this new form of money. In a truly decentralized system, control is distributed among all participants. In traditional financial systems, banks and governments hold the reins. They have the power to influence and control the flow of money. Blockchain technology, with its decentralized nature, promises to shift that power back to the people. It aims to create a more equitable financial system. But is Pi Network truly delivering on this promise? Are they transparent about their operations and governance? That's what we're here to explore. Join us as we delve deeper into the mechanics and ethos of Pi Network to uncover the truth. Decentralization, in the context of blockchain, means that no single entity has control over the network. Instead, power and decision-making are distributed across a network of computers, often referred to as nodes. This distribution ensures that the network remains secure and resilient against attacks or manipulations. Think of it like a vast global network of computers, all working together to validate and record transactions. Each node in the network has a copy of the entire blockchain, and they work in unison to ensure the integrity and accuracy of the data. Bitcoin, often considered the gold standard of decentralized blockchains, exemplifies this principle. Its network is maintained by thousands of independent nodes, making it extremely difficult for any single entity to gain control. No single person, company, or government can alter transactions or manipulate the Bitcoin network. This decentralization is what gives Bitcoin its strength and reliability. Ethereum, another leading blockchain, also boasts a high degree of decentralization. It supports a wide range of decentralized applications, or dApps, which operate independently of any central authority. While its development team holds some influence, the network itself operates independently. This allows for a diverse ecosystem of applications and services to flourish without centralized control. Pi Network, however, is still in its early stages. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, it has not yet achieved full decentralization. It operates on a centralized network with the core team controlling most aspects. This means that the decision-making power is still concentrated in the hands of a few individuals. The plan is to transition to a decentralized mainnet upon launch, but the level of decentralization it will achieve remains to be seen. The journey from centralization to decentralization is complex and requires careful planning and execution. Pi Network operates on a unique model, one that stands out in the crowded cryptocurrency landscape. It is designed to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to the masses, breaking down the barriers that have traditionally kept many people out of the crypto space. Instead of relying on energy-intensive mining rigs that consume vast amounts of electricity, Pi leverages the power of smartphones. This innovative approach not only makes mining more accessible but also significantly reduces the environmental impact. Users contribute to the network by simply running the Pi app on their phones and verifying their presence once a day. This daily interaction is all it takes to be a part of the Pi network. This process of verifying one's presence is referred to as mining in the Pi network ecosystem. It's a straightforward and user-friendly way to engage with cryptocurrency. Users who participate in this daily verification process are rewarded with Pi coins. These coins accumulate over time, providing an incentive for users to remain active and engaged. The more active users in the network, the more secure it becomes. This collective participation strengthens the network's integrity and resilience. This approach aims to create a more inclusive and decentralized network, where anyone with a smartphone can participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. It democratizes access to digital currency, making it possible for people from all walks of life to join. However, the true test of its decentralization will come when it transitions to its own blockchain. This will be a critical milestone, determining how well Pi Network can maintain its principles of inclusivity and decentralization in a more mature phase. At the heart of Pi Network's blockchain lies its consensus algorithm, the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP. A consensus algorithm is a set of rules that ensures all nodes in a blockchain network agree on the validity of transactions. SCP is known for its energy efficiency and scalability, making it suitable for a mobile-first network like Pi. Unlike Bitcoin's proof-of-work algorithm, which requires immense computational power, SCP relies on a voting mechanism. Nodes on the network form quorum slices, small groups that reach consensus on transactions. These agreements then propagate throughout the network, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This approach allows for faster transaction speeds and lower energy consumption, crucial factors for a mobile-centric platform. Section 5. Arguments for Pi Network's decentralization. Proponents of Pi Network point to several factors that support its decentralization goals. Firstly, the use of SCP allows for a wide range of users to participate in the consensus process. Unlike POW, which favors those with powerful hardware, SCP levels the playing field, enabling anyone with a smartphone to contribute to network security. Secondly, Pi boasts a massive and active user base, with millions already engaged in the ecosystem. This widespread participation is crucial for achieving decentralization, as it distributes control among a large and diverse group. The more users actively involved in running nodes and validating transactions, the less susceptible the network becomes to manipulation or control by any single entity. Section 6. Challenges to Pi's decentralization. Despite its ambitions, Pi Network faces significant challenges to achieving true decentralization. One major concern is the transition from its current centralized network to a decentralized mainnet. This transition is a complex process, and any hiccups along the way could compromise the network's integrity. Another challenge is the level of control the core team currently holds. While they have outlined plans to gradually relinquish control as the network matures, their influence over decision-making processes raises concerns about potential centralization risks. The core team's role in KYC processes and overall network governance needs to become more transparent and decentralized to ensure the community's long-term trust. Section 7. The future of Pi Network towards greater decentralization. To truly establish itself as a decentralized blockchain, Pi Network must address these challenges head-on. Transparency is key. The core team should provide regular updates on the development of the mainnet, outlining clear timelines and milestones. Additionally, they need to establish clear guidelines and mechanisms for community governance. Furthermore, Pi Network should prioritize the development of tools and resources that empower the community to actively participate in network governance. This includes providing clear documentation on running nodes, participating in the consensus process, and contributing to the network's development. By fostering a culture of open communication and collaboration, Pi Network can pave the way for a truly decentralized and community-driven ecosystem. Section 8. Conclusion. A blockchain in progress. So, is Pi Network truly decentralized? The answer, as of today, is nuanced. While it aspires to be a decentralized blockchain, it's still in its infancy. The transition to a decentralized mainnet is a critical step that will determine its future. The success of Pi Network hinges on its ability to address concerns about centralized control, ensure a smooth transition to its own blockchain, and empower its community to actively participate in network governance. Only then can it truly live up to the promise of a decentralized and accessible cryptocurrency for everyone. Section 9. A call to engagement. What are your thoughts on Pi Network's decentralization journey? Do you believe it can overcome the challenges and become a truly decentralized blockchain? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses of the cryptocurrency world. Let's keep the conversation going.